Hello children, now we are going to start our new lesson. The name of the lesson is One Little Kitten. You know what is kitten? The baby of cat. Now we can first read the lesson or the poem, and after that we will discuss it. Okay? Are you ready? Yes. Listen and enjoy this poem. One little kitten, two big cats, three baby butterflies, four big rats, five fat fishes, six sad seals, seven silly seagulls, eight happy eels, nine nervous lizards, 10 brave bees, 11 smelly elephants, 12 fat fleas, 13 alligators, 14 whales, 15 donkeys with 15 tails. Now again we have to read it. Slowly we can understand. One little kitten, two big cats, three baby butterflies, four big rats, five fat fishes, six sad seals, seven silly seagulls, 8 happy eels, 9 nervous lizards, 10 brave bees, 11 smelly elephants, 12 fat fleas, 13 alligators, 14 whales, 15 donkeys with 15 tails. Okay, now we come to student, we can understand this poem in Hindi. One little kitten, एक छोटा सा बिल्ली का बच्चा, two big cats, और वहाँ पे कौन कौन है? बिल्ली का बच्चा और दो big cats. Big means बड़ी, cats means बिल्लियाँ, 3 baby butterflies और छोटी छोटी तितलियाँ भी हैं, 4 big rats और 4 चूहे भी हैं, और 5 big fishes और वहाँ पे 5 मोटी मोटी मछलियाँ भी हैं, 6 sad seals, ये भी मछली है, ठीक है, and 7 silly seagulls, और जो समुद्र के किनारे वो जो पक्षी होते हैं उनको सीगल्स कहते हैं, 8 हैप्पी ईल्स, और ये भी क्या हैं? समुद्र की ही मछलियां हैं, कीड़े हैं, 9 नर्वस लिजार्ड्स, और 9 हमारे यहाँ लिजार्ड्स किसको कहते हैं? छिपकली को, 10 ब्रेव बीज, और अच्छी हिम्मत वाली मधुमक्खियाँ भी हैं, 11 स्मेली एलिफेंट्स, और यहाँ हमारे यहाँ स्मेली एलिफेंट्स मतलब वो आपको मालूम है वो गंदे से रहते हैं तो उनमें बदबू सी आती, स्मेली, 12 फेट फ्लीज, और 12 कितने? 12 वहाँ पे मोटे मोटे कीड़े हैं, 13 एलिगेटर्स और ऑल्सो पक्षी जैसे ही होते हैं, 14 वेल्स, और वो मछलियाँ हैं 14, कौन सी? वो बड़ी वाली वेल मछली, 15 डोंकीज, और 15 कितने हैं? गधे हैं वहाँ पे, 15 गधे हैं विथ 15 टेल्स, और उनके कितनी वो है जो पूंछें हैं वो कितनी है? 15 है. एंड दिस पोएम इज रिटन बाई Caroline Graham. Okay. Now we come to discuss the question and answers. Is it? Cat, fat, rat. These are the rhyming words. Sad, tan. New words are cat. Cat you know. बिल्ली. फैट यानी मोटा. rat यानी चूहा. sad यानी दुखी. और tan means thus. A fat cat saw a rat. A fat cat saw a rat. How many kinds of creature are there in the poem? बहुत सारे क्रिएचर थे. ईल थी, वेल थी, डोंकी थी, है ना. हाउ मेनी काइंड्स ऑफ क्रिएचर. बहुत सारे पानी में रहने वाले थे, है ना. आर द सील्स हैप्पी? जस्ट यू सी इन द पोएम्स. वेरी सील्स? 6 sad seals. All the seals are not happy, they are sad. Where do the fish live? The fish live in the water. What are the other things found in water? So many other things found in water. You know, whale. 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 And seagulls. And even so many other fishes. What are the... there are many creatures in the poem. Which ones have you seen? How many of you have seen so many creatures in your life? I have seen only one. Fish, big fish. Tell us about when you feel sad, brave, happy or nervous. I feel sad when someone teases me. I feel brave when I share things to my friends. I am happy, I am very much happy to see my grandparents, and nervous when I have done some mistakes. Then I become nervous. If I have done any mistake, then I become nervous, sad. You see the face of the boy, he is sad, and the second boy is brave. Yes, I can do. Nervous, ooh, confusion. And happy, you see a girl, she is very happy in the picture. And now it's a writing time. Just you try to make the alphabets. K, kitten. B, butterfly. C, cat. R, rat. F, fish. And seagull. Seal. This is also a water animal. Seagull. This is bird living near the sea or the bank of river. Eel. It is also a water animal like a fish. Lizard. You know lizard? Much that chipkali. Bee. You know brave bee. Elephant. This is big fat elephant. Crocodile. Alligator means ghadiyal. And fleas, small insects. And whale, you know, big fish. And donkey, D for donkey. Okay, now say loudly. M, A, M, M, H, E, he. I, F, if. I, and in. I, as, is. Like this you have to say with the help of your parents. Okay, say loudly. All these words make you a very fluent in English. Okay, now we come to the another things. Say these words aloud, then match them with the picture. This is bag, B-A-G, bag. H-E-N, hand. And T-A-P, tap. C-A-P, cap. And T-E-N, tan. Cat. Where is cat? No. Aunt, pan, fox, X. X means kuladi. Fox means lomdi. Okay, children. Now we can come to the next lesson, and you will enjoy the next lesson. Thank you so much. Okay children, now we can read our next lesson, Lalu and Pilu. Just read each and every word and try to understand what is given in the story. There was a hen. She had two chicks, Lalu and Pilu. Lalu was red. He loved red things. Pilu was yellow. He loved yellow things. One day, Lalu saw something on a plant. It was red. He ate it up. Oh no, it was a red chili. It was very hot. Lalu's mouth started burning. He screamed. Mother hen came running. Pilu came too. Pilu said, I will get something for you. Pilu brought a yellow laddu. Lalu gobbled up the laddu. His mouth stopped burning. Mother hen and Lalu kissed Pilu. Vinita Krishna. This lesson written by Vinita Krishna. And you see, children, you see the pictures. This big hen, mother of these two children, okay, Lalu and Pilu. And what happened? Lalu ate the red chili because he loved to eat the red things. So the mother and Pilu came. And Pilu came with laddu. And what happened? The Lalu ate the laddu and his mouth stopped burning. Is it? Now we come to the new words. Chicks. Chicks means what? The baby of hen. Hen, you know, murgi. Hot means garam, jalna. Plant, you know, छोटे छोटे पौधे. Yellow means color. Okay, I love plants. The chicks ran to their mother. Now it's a time to answer the questions. Okay, name the chicks in the story. The name was, one is Lalu and one is Pilu. So who liked yellow things? Pilu liked yellow thing. What did Lalu eat one day? Lalu ate red chili one day. Let's talk. Pilu brought a yellow laddu for Lalu. What are the other things Pilu could have brought that are both yellow and sweet? Name at least two things, like mango. Mango is yellow and it is sweet. And the other thing is nukti. You know nukti? We eat the nukti in marriage party. Now come to the let's share. Lalu loves red things. Pilu loves yellow things. The color red is called lal in Hindi and yellow called pila. That do you call these colors in your own language? You can see. You can tell me what red color is called in your own language, okay? And yellow color in on your language. It is blue and this is black, okay? Now we come to match. Match the chicks to the egg they have hatched from. One has been done for you. this E. You know, the E is written in the broken egg, and this is U. So you have to make the line between them. Okay, this is a very easy work, and it is a play for you. It is a game for you. Okay, now this is also a game for you, that you have to draw the lines on the dots. Okay, this is a riddle for you. And come, mother hen and chicks. This is another lesson, so we will discuss it later on. First of all, we have to discuss the thing which is given in the lesson and enjoy the lesson. First, we should try to read it with fast. Okay. There was a hen. He had two chicks, Lalu and Pilu. Lalu was red. He loved red things. Pilu was yellow. He loved yellow things. One day, Lalu saw something on a plant. It was red. He ate it up. Oh no! It was a red chili. It was very hot. Lalu's mouth started burning. He screamed. Mother hen came running. Pilu came too. Lalu said, I will get something for you. Pilu brought a yellow laddu. Lalu gobbled up the laddu. His mouth stopped burning. Mother hen and Lalu kissed Pilu. And in Hindi we can translate it very soon. There was a hen, यानी एक मुर्गी थी. She had two chicks, यानी उसके दो बच्चे थे, Lalu and Pilu. Lalu was red. Lalu कैसा था? Red था. He loved red things. उसको लाल चीज़ें बहुत पसंद थी. Pilu was yellow. और पीलू कैसा था? पीले कलर का, पीले रंग का. He loved yellow things. और उसको कौन सी चीज़ें पसंद थी? कौन सी चीज़ें पसंद थी? पीली पीली चीज़ें. One day Lalu saw something on plant. तो लालू ने एक दिन पेड़ पे कुछ लाल कलर की चीज़ देखी. It was red. He ate it up. उसमें वो लाल थी तो उसने जो है उसको खा लिया. ठीक है. और फिर Oh no, it was a red chili. वो तो क्या थी? वो तो लाल मिर्ची थी. It was very hot. वो तो बहुत जल रही थी, मतलब बहुत तीखी थी. Lalu's mouth started burning. उसका मुंह जलने लगा. He screamed. बहुत मतलब परेशान हो गया वो. Mother hen came running. उसकी मम्मी जो आई वहाँ पे, और पीलू भी वहाँ पे साथ में आया. पीलू ने I will get something for you. मैं तुम्हारे लिए कुछ चीज़ें लेके आता हूँ. ठीक है. और फिर वो लेके आया लड्डू, और वो उसने उसको खा लिया, और पीलू ने और मम्मी ने लालू को किस किया. ये थी पूरी कहानी. आपको अच्छी लगी होगी, है ना? बहुत अच्छे बच्चे हैं आप, और बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से कहानी आपने पढ़ी और सुनी. ठीक है बच्चों? ओके, नाउ वी विल डिस्कस द नेक्स्ट लेसन. थैंक यू सो मच. Now children, this is a story, a dialogue story. Okay, what the hen is telling to us, the name of the lesson is Mother Hen and the Chicks. The dialogues going on. Okay, come to me, chicks, I want you here. अरे बच्चों, मेरे पास आओ, मैं तुम्हें यहाँ बुला रही हूँ. तीनों बच्चे आ जाते हैं. What do you want, mother? बच्चे कहते हैं, What do you want, mother? आप क्या चाहती हैं? Look at me. Do what I do. Down and up, up and down. जैसा मैं कर रही हूँ, ऊंचा नीचा, वैसे तुम भी करो। ओके। मदर, मदर, आई कैन डू वॉट यू डू, लुक एट मी, डाउन एंड अप, डाउन एंड अप। मम्मी देखो मैं वैसे ही कर रहा हूँ जैसा आप कह रही हैं। लुक एट मी चिक्स, डू वॉट आई डू, अप डाउन। ओहो, अब वो जो है छोटा वाला जो है चिक्स जो है वो पैर अप एंड डाउन करने लगा। मदर, द वाटर, प्रेसी इज डाउन, डाउन इन वाटर। और जो वो बच्चा है वो उसमें गिर जाता है पानी में। ओ प्रेसी, प्रेसी, उसकी मम्मी आ जाती है और स्टोरी ख़त्म हो जाती है। ठीक है, ये अच्छी स्टोरी है और आप इसको अच्छे से पढ़ेंगे। ठीक है, बहुत ही अच्छी स्टोरी है बच्चों। आपको इनकी ड्राइंग्स भी बनानी है ना। कुछ वर्ड्स को अपनी हैंड राइटिंग में लिखना भी है। अगर आप लिखेंगे तो आपको अच्छा, और जब ड्राइंग बनाएंगे तो आपकी पेंसिल की जो पकड़ है वो भी अच्छी हो जाएगी। आप बहुत अच्छे बच्चे हैं और हम चाहते हैं कि आप इन लेसन्स को पूरा देखते रहें, ताकि आप जब क्लास में जाएंगे या पढ़ेंगे तो आपको बहुत सारी स्टोरीज़ आपको पहले से पता होगी। और जब भी टीचर्स आपसे कुछ कहेंगे कि बताओ ये क्या है, ये क्या है, तो आप इजीली उनको आंसर दे सकते हैं और आप अच्छे बच्चों में गिने जाएंगे। ओके बेटा, थैंक यू।